All right, guys, welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to what we call market outlook. Um, as we all know, last week I came here and I gave us some tweets, and amazingly, most of them played out perfectly well. And and I'm going to be doing that here. I want to urge you to go watch that. Our previous video last week. Some of the trade we gave out last week were this played out perfectly well. Many of them, everything played out perfectly well. And we have series of them like that have played out perfectly well. I think we have EURJPY as well that played out perfectly well. We have GDP, we have EURUSD, and a lot and lots more like that. So I will urge you to just go back and watch our last week video to see our level of consistency and why you should pay attention to us here. That reminds me as well. If you are just joining channel for the very first time, I want you to subscribe to this channel, and of course, you can also join us on Telegram because we have a family on Telegram where you can also be a partaker of what we're doing here. For this new week, we have some pairs we're looking at, and of course, we expect it to draw our bias. Some of them are GBPUSD. GBPUSD. So I'm going into them right away now. Uh, my first my first pick for this new week is GBPUSD. As you all know, GBPUSD is already a buy market, but I expect this to sell, and the short should be much more longer to this point here. Either this spot or this one, I'm going to buy. This is a normal. This is a long market though. The conversion has turned to a long. How do I know? I'll show you right now. I'll show you this is a long market. I'm expecting it to still come somewhere around here. Then we'll be able to long. We'll be able to long. Let me tell you why I knew this was a long market. Let's come to daily and let's see it. You can see the level at which our market is expected. This level and this level, this second bus and this third bus. This is the market. We had the high here. After the high here, you have the lower high, lower low, lower, and you have the last low. This low is not taking away this last low here. Aha, that shows you something the market has still in control. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. And after this high, we have the lowest high here again. And this high give us a double top, double bottom, and this one give a double top. That is, this market alternated this one. And then from there moved. After it moved, it came back again to this place. That means this move was not substantial enough for it to go. It should have come here or come here to show a strong buy. But the move stopped here and it didn't take it slow. And this move after then this four candle engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All of these candles engulfed it. Can you see where it closes? Engulfed everything to shows a powerful buy that shows a strong buy. But right now, because of this consolidation, we call this accumulation. All of these accumulations here, there is an order flow here. There's a lot of other blocks that happens here. This one of these accumulations, there might be a little bit of distributions to a short. The short might come a bit here, then buy. So I'll be looking for in the long run. I'll be looking to long this market. But right now, we're trying to short this market, and I believe it should short. Right now, I'm on a short, and I believe it should still short, and I'll take my little profit. Then I'll be positioning myself for a long. That is on GBPUSD. I want to long. Aside from that, I also have another pair which is called USDCHL. USDCHL. This one I want to short. I want to short this one. I want to short USDCHL. Letting this one to come back to this point. Let me show you why. Let me show you. On a weekly basis, we have what is called rejection. Let me show you. Can you see that trend line has been from since when? Since 2015, July 2015. The next market trend has been expecting this trend line. So I definitely expect. I definitely demand that I should definitely still respect it by next week. So this our last line. The market has already rejected it the first move. So if they come back to the second one, it's gonna be getting. I want to see double rejection. I want to see I've seen one rejection. I want to see a second rejection on our cycle level so that we can be able to short. That would be a nice one for us to kick short. I might talk to somebody. Then once it comes back to this person and rejected, if I couldn't take away this I and rejected it again, then I'll position myself to short, look for a further entry. And I'll look for what we call an entry candlestick around 15-30 minute time frame only. Once I see that, and I'll short badly to this junction here. This is gonna be a sweet one for me. I love this setup. It's quite sweet and it's quite meaningful. Another one I'll be looking for this. Please, guys, take note of this tweet. Another one we're looking for is EURJPY. 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 This our blinking, can you see now? We are having what we call a formation of double top. So if possible, this market comes to this point here, rejected this trend line or breaks it to come out to this place. I'm entering here or I should be entering here. So I'm watching this very closely. I'm watching this very closely. Either it breaks this trend line and comes here, or it reject this trend line and then closes above this trend line here. I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to long. So I'm looking to long on CHF, CHF EURJPY. Yeah, I'm looking to what? I'm looking to long. Aside from that, I also have this baby, GDPJPY. I also have this baby, GDPJPY, GDPJPY. Same thing has happened around that zone as well. Can you see this last we had low? We had our last high here. The market turns here. This is formation of double top. The market is expecting this tight level here. This likely is an area of concentration. Can you see? So it's expecting and it did a double top. If market breaks away, take away this low here, breaks away here and it tests, then it might come down to this point here or to this point here or to this point here. Depending on how it may be, I will be looking for my entry around this point, either year or year. So this is the last way I want to enter. This is the last point I want to enter. But I have to get very, if I see that there is a rejection at this zone here, market is rejecting this trend line. First one rejected, someone then I'll be looking to long at this up top here. But this quite is risky. But except I see confirmation. If not, I'm willing to long at this bottom here. But right now it's shorting. Please, if you want to make money right here, just short. But there's tendency that I'm going to be taking away this low. This is where this power closes equal with this last low. That's to show that it's unable to take away that. So definitely a strong zone at that place. Same thing that happens here. Can you see? 4 hour closes below this one and then took it away and come back to this point to come and what to come out to short and then try by same thing to happen again at this point here. Can you see? Same thing pattern to repeat itself again. Same thing, same way. So that is on GDP JPY. Another one I'm also looking for is Euro USD. Something that's also that is happening on GDP, GU. So it's really possible short to this down here. So I'm looking to long at this bottom or this bottom here. But right now it seems to be a short. Is it to be a short right now? I'm looking to long at this bottom here. I'm going to long this bottom here. I'm looking at this bottom here. This bottom there and long at this bottom there. I think that's all for today. I think that's all for today. Let me look at the last one. I think look at the last one. Which other one? Which other one am I looking for? Which other am I looking forward to? Okay, let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. The gold, the guys. Let's look at gold, guys. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. All right, let's do gold. Let's do gold. What am I looking for gold? Let's do gold. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. You know why we traded gold? You know why we traded gold? Let's do gold. You know why we traded gold? Let's do gold. You know why we traded gold? Let's do gold, man. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. Let's do gold. All right, let's do gold. What am I seeing on gold? 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 For me, I'm not seeing any clarification yet. This is not too clear, except you want to risk it. It's not too clear for me. No, 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 not too clear. No, 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 no. It's not too clean. It's not too clean for me. Nothing on gold actually. Nothing on gold. We're not taking. We're staying out on gold for now. But I want to urge you if you are on our, you kindly join our Telegram. If you don't have the link, you can demand for the link. Via this video, we'll send it to you so that you can be a partaker once we send our gold signals. Of course, once you see opportunity on gold, you should take it a lot and we trade gold as well, oftentimes. So if you are not on Telegram, I want to urge you to join right now so you can also be a partaker of our sweet and decisive gold signals. And most times, they are always accurate, guys. So thank you for joining me once again today. I hope you are able to gain something meaningful and insightful. Do not forget, I wish you a profitable, meaningful week ahead, guys. And I hope you make money for this week. Stay blessed and stay good, guys. Bye for now. Peace out.